In this video, I will share how somebody is losing $6 million per year that you should not lose. And somebody is making $3 million from doing exactly what we always do, answer people's question online. And that is exactly how we make money. And look at our screenshot here, $107,625 in passive affiliate commission by answering questions of 49,215 people. Now you might be asking, where are these people? I am going to tell you exactly where we get all these customers, and this is going to be absolutely newbie friendly. You can do it from anywhere on the planet, from any experience level. You don't need a website, no need hosting server, no need mailing list, no need social media following, and you can start making money starting today. We do it using our artificial intelligence software Epic, using videos, but unlike these videos, in our other 20 plus channels, we make videos using Epic. And on those channels, we don't use cameras or microphones to record ourselves. We use Epic. Epic allows us to write scripts using artificial intelligence, then turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, and then Epic makes videos using image, links, and texts. And in the later part of the video, I will show you how Epic works, a detailed demo, step-by-step demo of Epic. But before that, let's make some money. By the way, this can be done from anywhere on the planet. You can make money from anywhere on the planet, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency. Sounds good? Before we move forward, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the right way, the fun way, and the easy way. And we can't hit that goal without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Share this video in your social media timelines like Facebook, Twitter, and let everybody know about how easy it is to make money online. For sharing this awesome information, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. Sounds good? Let's begin. This channel name is Fighting Cinema on YouTube. Go ahead, check for yourself. They have 757 videos and 608 million views. All these views are the real people, the exact same real people we use to get paid. Now let's check how much money they are making by doing what. If you look at this channel, all their videos are basically clips of other movies, unedited, uncut, absolutely nothing but clips of movies. And apparently from socialblade.com, they are making $515,000 per month and $6.2 million per year from AdSense alone based on their number of views. And if you open any of their videos, you will find this disclaimer that non-profit channel, fair use, non-profit channel. They mentioned clearly it's a non-profit channel, which means they are not getting paid from AdSense for all these views generated from their videos. This is unbelievable. Somebody is putting their time, effort, and money to cut those clips and upload those clips and get all these views. They're not promoting anything as affiliate. They're not getting paid via AdSense. And on top of that, even if they are getting paid, although they mention non-profit, but by any chance, even if they are getting paid, there are chances anytime their videos will get caught for copyright infringement and they will lose the monetization ability of their channel. So although they are getting all those views and apparently they're making all those money, this is a clear no-no, and please don't do this. Set your mind to help others with information. Simple information that you can copy paste from the internet. Use our software Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. And make simple videos using Epic, publish them on YouTube, get all those people, click your links and make money as an affiliate. Okay, now you might be asking, Mosh, what are people asking? what can I make videos about? Alright, here is an example. I'm on Uber Suggest. It's one of my favorite keyword research tool, basically customer research tool. I searched with Tom Cruise and Mission Impossible. Look at this. Every single month, 823,000 people search for the word Tom Cruise. Another 165,000 people search for Mission Impossible. Now this might be just about the movies. Now let's talk about some real questions people are asking online. Not only that, if you scroll down, there are 33,000 topics people are searching about Tom Cruise and Mission Impossible alone. Just to give you a couple of examples. Tom Cruise spouse, 33,000 searches per month. Tom Cruise age, 27,000 searches per month. Tom Cruise teeth, 27,000 searches per month. Oh my god. You can get this information from the internet for free. Put them on Epic. Epic is free in the description. Go grab it. Make simple videos and upload on YouTube. Now, Mosh, how can I make money from this? What are these customers? These customers are movie fans, movie star fans. They watch movies. You can become affiliates of movie programs. Like, go ahead, search on Google affiliate marketing with movies, and you'll find articles like this: 10 best movie affiliate programs to join in 2022. This is one, and this is a big list here. Become an affiliate. Put your affiliate links in the description and in the first comments and in the bios of your videos and your channels. And in your videos, ask your viewers to click the links if they want to watch the movies. A lot of them will click, they will buy, they will watch, and you will make passive affiliate commissions just like us. Now, once you learned how to succeed with YouTube views, or videos and affiliate marketing, record the process in the form of videos using Epic. Epic will make your life easy with artificial intelligence and all the lazy features. Then go to Udemy. Udemy is a place where you can upload your bundle of videos in the form of online course, and Epic will sell those courses to their customers. They have 100 million customers, and 20% of those customers come from Google. So not only you are getting customers from Udemy itself, but also by uploading your videos, your bundle of videos on Udemy, you're getting customers from Google as well. Now here is an example. This is the $3 million I was talking about. Somebody got success on YouTube and he recorded his process, then uploaded the bundle of videos and sold the course or the bundle of videos to 171,913 students so far. And at the price of $17.99, they made apparently $3.09 million. Totally passive income. You want to know more about what are they teaching? Very easy. Go down below, click the expand all sections in the course content section and see what they are teaching, and you will see most of the videos are half a minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes long that you can make using Epic. You're not going to make in one day, you're going to make gradually as you learn, as you go, and do your stuff on YouTube and keep getting success. More you succeed, more your course content will be valuable. Now here is a quick secret tip. When you upload your bundle of videos in the form of an online course on Udemy, don't start charging immediately. Look at this. There are 611 courses available for free. They're all about YouTube. Why are they free? Because these creators don't have students yet. So they're giving away their course for free to get some students and get feedback and high rating from them. You do the exact same. Put your Udemy course link in your videos and ask your viewers to get your course for free. Once they get your course, inside your course, ask them to give you a 5-star rating and a positive feedback. If your content is good, they will give you. When there are lots of engagements in your course, Udemy and Google algorithm will take notice and they will start sending students and customers. More and more students, more and more feedback, more and more positive rating, more and more engagements will get you more and more students for free from Udemy on Google. This is called snowball effect. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen with time. But you have to start doing it today. Once you have a bunch of positive feedbacks and high rating, start charging money. Turn your course into a paid course, charge $11, $12, $17, and from free customers, you will make simple money. Sell your affiliate programs to all your viewers, visitors, traffic, and customers. Succeed in affiliate marketing, then make course on affiliate marketing, come back to Udemy and sell again. That's it. Lots of money to be made. You have to start today using Epic. Link is in the description. It's free.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, the fun way. And from this channel, we want to help 100 million people learn the same. And we cannot do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and share this video on your social media timelines. Let everybody know how easy it is to make money online and they should start today. If you share this awesome information, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of people make money by helping people with good information they are looking for, and you can do it too. You need Epic. Link is in the description. Go grab it. So go ahead, hit the like button, share this video. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.